A step-by-step guide to Santander buy-to-let mortgage begins with understanding the basics of buy-to-let mortgages and the eligibility criteria set by Santander. To be eligible for a Santander buy-to-let mortgage, you will need to be at least 21 years old and have a minimum income of £25,000. You will also need to have a good credit history and meet the loan-to-value and loan-to-income requirements. The first step is to check your eligibility and get an agreement in principle from Santander. This will give you an indication of how much you can borrow and will also give you an idea of the monthly repayments. To get an agreement in principle, you will need to provide Santander with some basic information about yourself and the property you are looking to purchase. The next step is to find a property and make an offer. Once your offer has been accepted, you will need to apply for a mortgage. You can do this online or through a mortgage broker. You will need to provide Santander with more detailed information about yourself and the property, including proof of income and proof of identity. Santander will then carry out a valuation of the property to ensure it is worth the amount you are looking to borrow. They will also check your credit history and assess your ability to make the monthly repayments. If your application is successful, Santander will offer you a mortgage and you will need to accept the offer and complete the purchase of the property. It is essential to consider the total cost of the mortgage, including the interest rate and any fees. You should also consider the risks of buying to let, including the risk of tenants not paying rent and the risk of the property being empty. It is also important to have a plan in place for managing the property and dealing with any issues that may arise. In conclusion, getting a Santander buy-to-let mortgage requires careful planning and consideration. By following these steps and doing your research, you can ensure that you get the best deal and make a successful investment in a buy-to-let property. It is always recommended to seek advice from a financial advisor or mortgage broker to ensure that you are getting the best deal and to help you navigate the application process.